What if I told you one of the boldest casino heists in history was carried out in plain sight? London, 2004, the Ritz Casino, European Roulette, private room, wealthy regulars only. A stylish Hungarian woman and two men start showing up. They buy in big, but not NC. At first, they lose like everyone else. Then something changes. They only bet after the ball is spun. Their chips land in the final second, and they keep hitting winning numbers. Cameras zoom in. Security runs the math. Across 2 nights, their luck hits a probability close to impossible. They walk out with £1.5 million. Investigators replay every frame. No obvious cheating tools. No magnets, no extra ball, no tampered wheel. Then a tiny detail pops. The woman always keeps her phone angled at the wheel. A concealed laser scanner measuring deceleration of the ball and wheel, transmitting data to calculate which section the ball will drop into. It is called Predictive Roulette, not magic, physics and timing. Police move in on the 3rd night, arrest all 3, seize phones, clothes, cash. Forensic techs tear apart the devices. They find sophisticated software, but no direct proof of live laser use. In court, experts testify how modern devices can estimate wheel outcomes in real time. The defense argues they were just observant players. The judge rules the casino cannot prove illegal interference. The trio walks free and keeps the winnings. Casinos worldwide quietly react. New rules on phones near tables. Roulette spin timing changed. Staff trained to spot delayed bets. The Ritz case becomes legend. A reminder that sometimes the smartest robbery doesn't break the vault, but walks out the front door.